Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and like the video. I really appreciate it. In today's video, I'm just going to be showcasing the Disneyland Paris. This is the Santa Fe Hotel, in particular the Lightning McQueen. So as soon as you walk in, they don't have any lights. So I'm calling right now to find out what's going on with the lights. But I don't know. That's another story. So as soon as you walk in, you can see the restroom is to the right. I'll do that last because of the lighting. But you can see here how it's kind of laid out. They have a ceiling fan. Let me see. Okay. This is 2 beds, by the way. You can see how it is there. Okay, and I don't know what that is, a fan, or I don't think it's an AC. Because my understanding is it doesn't come with AC. Paris is weird. They don't like giving AC in the hotels or something like that. Or at least that's the standard, I guess. So that's the exit, of course. So just let me show real quick the restroom. So this is when you first walk in. You can see, that's the hair dryer. You can see the mirror, the layout there. It comes with some amenities. Okay. And these are the showers here. You can see those other amenities as well. Okay. So you can kind of see the layout of the room. So that's everything. I'm going to be doing a separate video of the, I guess you could say, the reception area, baggage and all that stuff, where they do the pickup and drop off, to and from the parks. And then also there's an airport shuttle as well. And I believe you pay somewhere like around 24 euros or something per person, per adult. So let me know what you think about this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Robert's Video Machine. There's the outside view. Looks kind of cool. And give me a thumbs up and like the video. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.